Now I am going to discuss about type and order. Type and order for the given problems. How to calculate the type and order for the given transfer functions. Okay, so first of all, what is type definition and what is order definition we will see. Okay, so type is nothing but by observing the transfer function how to decide the type of the transfer function. So type is nothing but the number of poles which are existing at the origin will give us the type. Number of poles existing at the existing at the origin is nothing but type. And what is order? Highest power in the characteristic equation. In the characteristic equation will give us order. Okay, for example, I am having g of s into h of s is equals to k by s plus 1 into s square plus 6s plus 8. Okay, so this is the open loop transfer function I am having. GSHS is equal to. Okay, for this, how to calculate the type? Type is nothing but number of poles which are existing at the origin. Poles are nothing but the roots which are in the denominator. Okay, I am having 1, 2, 3, 4 poles actually. But to decide the type, we have to consider the poles which are existing at the origin. So here the pole s is equal to 0, and here one more pole which is existing at the minus 1, and two more poles are existing at a, if I split s square plus 6s plus 8 in terms of s plus a into s plus b, and two more poles which are existing at s square plus 6s plus 8 can be written as s plus 4 into s plus 2. That is, s is equal to minus 4 and s is equal to minus 2. These are the four poles which are existing at one is origin, one is minus 1, another third one is minus 4, fourth one is minus 2. Okay, so type is always decided by the pole which is existing at the origin. And how many poles are existing at the origin? Here only one pole. So here it is having type 1. And what is order? Order is nothing but it will be decided by the characteristic equation. And what is characteristic equation? 1 plus GSHS equal to 0 is the characteristic equation. Okay, they have given GSHS as s into s plus 1 into s square plus 6s plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so here s into s plus 1 into s square plus 6s plus 8 plus k equal to 0. And this is a characteristic equation I am having. The highest power of the s is nothing but the order. Okay, the highest power of the s in the characteristic equation will give us the order. And what is the highest power I am having? S power 2. So total 4, s power 4. So 4 is the order. Okay, so here second problem I am having. GSHS is equals to 20 into s plus 2 by s square into s plus 3 into s plus 0.5. Okay, so here in this, what is type? Type is always decided by the poles which are existing at the origin. So here s square, two poles are existing at the origin, so it is type 2. And what is order? The highest power of the s in the characteristic equation, or simply the highest power in the denominator will give us the order. So s square into s, total 4 power. Okay, so order 4. Next, for this problem, GSHS is equals to s plus 4 by s minus 2 into s plus 0.2 s. So here type is 0, order is 2. And for this, GSHS is equals to 10 by s cube into s square into 2s plus 1. So here type is 3, s cube I am having here. And what is order? S cube into s square, total 5. Order 5. So like this, we have to calculate the type and order by observing the transfer function. Okay.